Growth in pharmaceutical compounding doesn't just require capacity, it requires control. At ProRx Pharma, our infrastructure is built for precision and compliance, advanced clean rooms, dedicated hazardous and non-hazardous suites, and automation engineered to reduce variability and elevate oversight. Each environment operates within validated ISO standards, supported by certified primary engineering controls for critical aseptic operations. Robotic technologies work alongside our teams to minimize contamination risk and strengthen documentation, process control, and full traceability, all within current good manufacturing practice standards and FDA oversight. Because infrastructure isn't about getting bigger, it's about getting it right every single time. ProRx Pharma, precision compounding and quality.